Good evening, viewers. Welcome to InfoBurst. Come with us to join NASA's Mars mission. NASA is leading humanity towards Mars. But this journey is not happening in space. Instead, it's starting here on Earth with a groundbreaking simulation. NASA invites brave and curious individuals to join a year-long mission inside Mars Dune Alpha, a 1700 square foot structure created using advanced 3D printing techniques. This habitat is designed to replicate the Martian environment as accurately as possible. Viewers, Mars Dune Alpha is located at the Johnson Space Center in Houston and is central to the crew health and performance exploring analog missions. These missions are crucial for NASA's preparations for human exploration of Mars. They aim to bridge the gap between our current knowledge and future missions where humans will set foot on the Martian surface. CHAPEA focuses on studying human health, performance, and team dynamics in an environment similar to Mars, with all its isolation, limited resource, and unique challenges. Viewers, volunteers in this mission will face the simulated challenges of living on Mars, including managing limited resources and dealing with the psychological effects of isolation and delayed communication with Earth. This simulation is not just about testing endurance, it's about gathering essential data and experiences to help shape future Mars missions and inspire the next generation of explorers and scientists. NASA's CHAPEA mission highlights human ingenuity and the relentless desire to explore new frontiers. By living in Mars Dune Alpha, volunteers contribute to a legacy that will pave the way for future space exploration, helping humanity reach new worlds. This initiative invites us to imagine our place in the cosmos and how technology, bravery, and vision can help us transcend our current boundaries and embrace the universe's vast potential. CHAPEA is a significant step in our quest to become a multiple planetary species. The simulation scheduled to start is the spring of 2025, offers a rare glimpse into the daily challenges and triumphs, awaiting those who will first step on Martian soil. Inside Mars Dune Alpha, volunteers will experience scenarios that closely replicate life on Mars. From resource scarcity to equipment unpredictability and the solitude of delayed communicate with Earth. Viewers, NASA is looking for individuals who embody the spirit of exploration, those with a zest for unparalleled adventures and a desire to contribute to one of humanity's most ambitious endeavors. The call is open to healthy, motivated US citizens or permanent residents aged between 30 and 55 who are non-smokers and proficient in English for seamless interaction within the crew and with mission control. This opportunity is not just a call to adventure but an invitation to be at the forefront of shaping the future of human space exploration. The selection criteria are rigorous, reflecting NASA's high standards. Candidates should have a strong foundation in STEM, holding a master's degree in fields like engineering, mathematics, or science, along with at least 2 years of professional experience. Those with significant achievements such as piloting aircraft for over 1,000 hours or progressing towards a doctoral degree in STEM are also encouraged to apply. NASA also welcomes individuals with diverse backgrounds, including those with military officer training or extensive professional experience, emphasizing the multifaceted nature of the challenges on Mars. Where participants will contribute to vital research and compensated highlight the importance of their commitment. Insights gained from CHAPEA will inform the development of strategies to support crew health and performance during actual Mars missions. This simulation is more than a test of endurance. It's a crucible where technologies, protocols, and human factors essential to sustaining life on Mars are refined. Viewers, as NASA's Artemis campaign lays the groundwork for a long-term presence on the Moon, CHAPEA stands as a testament to the agency's visionary approach to interplanetary exploration. Lessons from these simulations will be crucial in ensuring that humanity is prepared to not just survive but thrive on Mars. CHAPEA is a journey into the future, a rehearsal for one of the most significant leaps in human exploration. This is your chance to be part of a legacy that will be remembered for generations, contributing to our understanding of living and working on other planets. As we continue exploring the unknown, each discovery and challenge overcome brings us closer to turning the dream of Mars exploration into reality. For those who have always dreamed of walking on alien worlds, this is your moment. The deadline for applications is rapidly approaching, and the chance to influence the future of space exploration is within your grasp. This is not just an opportunity to simulate life on Mars, it's a chance to become part of a historic endeavor to extend human civilization beyond our planet. Stay with us on this journey of discovery and be part of the narrative that shapes our future in space. For more insights into space exploration and the incredible feats of human ingenuity, keep watching InfoBurst, your prime source for knowledge that ignites curiosity and inspires action.